Welcome back to another episode of Trini Bites, Liquid Therapy Series.
Today we're going to be making a love potion. So these are the ingredients that we're using. We're using red berry vodka, grenadine, a shaker, some sugar, a simple syrup.
And we're also going to be using cranberry. We have 2 martini glasses for both of us, some ice, and a lime cut in half. Alright, so we're going to start adding our ingredients into the shaker. We just have some ice.
We have the vodka, the simple syrup, the grenadine.
Okay, so before we add the cranberry juice in, we're just going to add another shot of vodka in because it's 2 of us. And depending how strong you want it, you can put more or less of this. We're going to put a fair amount because we are filling 2 glasses. A squeeze of lime juice. Great. Top one.
Okay, now we're going to rim the glass with the lime. That's one. And then we're going to put it in the sugar.
Alright, so now that we have the glasses that are rimmed here, we're just gonna pour our drink into here.
Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, this is really good.
Yeah, this is nice actually.
Thanks for watching.
Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.